Hello traders, the title of the video is Blue and Black, trend lines, technical trading tips for US dollar, South Africa round traders. I'm on the monthly chart of the US dollar South African round. We're going to talk about blue and black trend lines, technical trading tips for US dollar South African round traders. So I have, where is the blue trend line, George? This is the blue trend line. How did you draw that, George? Very good question. One wants to connect the high of the month of September 2018 and also the high of January 2019. With those two high, we have our blue trend line. Go to the monthly chart and draw that blue trend line if you are trading the US dollar South African rand. All right. Next question, George. How did you draw the black trend line? Very good question. Connect the high of August 2018 and also the high of February 2019. All right. With those two high, we draw our black trend line. Very good. All right, talking about blue and black trend line, technical trading tips and tricks. All right, what do we need to tell traders at this junction on the monthly chart? All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop down to, so when we drop down, when we go to the lower time frame, we are trying to zoom into the price action. At this exercise, if you're going to use a trend line like this, you need to go to the monthly chart, a higher time frame, okay, monthly chart or even higher, okay, very, very important. Those trend lines are powerful. So you look at here, look at the decision that we are making along the black trend line here. Yeah, look at that. Now where are we? Today, I'm on the daily chart, okay? Today is the 4th of March 2019, and the time is 12:000, okay, in London. All right, here it is. So if I drop down, let me show you, okay? Now on the 15-minute time frame, you see that? Professional know that there's that trend line there. Trading algorithm knew that there is that black trend line there. You see, they slow down there, they push it to there. This is today, 4th of March. So price came down, you see here. Beginning of the day, common center line was broken. And around people say, George, I want to acknowledge that black trend line there. All right. You see what's going on now? All right. It's a resistance there, but a lot of traders right now do not know there is a resistance there because they haven't drawn that black trend line. And on this particular day also, and on this particular day, here it is, or here it is, okay? Now the blue trend line, the price is not there yet, but you leave it there, you will see trading opportunity on the edge of that blue trend line. Now I have done something very interesting, talking about, okay, blue and black trend line, technical trading tips and tricks. All right, here it is. After I have drawn the blue and the black trend line, what I did, you see, I select one vertical line. You can select any of those vertical lines. Either this one, just measure the width vertically between the two trend lines, and then project it down, the width, the distance between the two, and then project it down. Boom, that's it vertically, all right? And then draw a line to the other end of that projection, which is this end here. Draw a line, okay, here it is, from the same point. Roughly, okay, you see, I just done it roughly. So select, it's like they all going from the same point, but must go connect it with the extreme point of this measuring stick here, roughly. So I have an angle. So what I'm trying to do, okay, mechanically, so to speak, is to project the angle between the blue and the black trend line down here. That's how I've done, roughly. All right, that's it. And I have a new trend line here, which is what? The green one here. I can do the same thing again, right there. And now I can put it above it right there, and I go back again, all right? Are you with me? And I can select it from, I can choose this point again, connect it to the extreme end of that measuring stick. You getting it now? All going from the same point. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to draw a ray of a trend line. I have another line here. The projection that I'm doing it vertically on the same line. You get the message? You get the message? On the same line. If I go here, it will be different measuring stick. Here it has to be the same vertical line, same measuring stick down. And I just leave those lines there. And what I'm trying to do is to find trading opportunity, trading setup on here, the vicinity of that trend line. So like today, all right, if one is trading, that black trend line becomes so important, all right? All right, you see what's happening now? Very simple. You see the green one recently here. So if you draw those a blue and a black line, recently you see the activity around the green one. Okay, here on the daily chart here, you see breaks above, retest, boom, to hit the black one, come down. Now it went back to retest the green one there. So you can draw all these, in fact, all those lines that I've drawn today, you can draw them months ago. I mean, at least at the beginning of January or something like that, you could have drawn all those lines, okay, there, and see what's going on now. All right? Now, once you have finished to draw those trend lines, you want to connect them with the horizontal key, support, and resistance level. So I've drawn some of them here. So the intersection between the horizontal key levels or moving averages and any of those trend lines are what we call hot spot trading zone. So there is one hot spot trading zone because what? We have intersection between a moving average 200 and a green line here. Now, what you need to do, remember this, all right? When you see a hot spot trading zone, just see it like a point. Line can go through this point from every angle. Now, okay? This is how you can use a hot spot trading zone. Many trend line can go through that hot spot trading zone. Thousands of lines can go through a hot spot trading zone. You get the idea? Remember that. Should I say it again? Remember that. The hot spot trading zone is not just a point, it's not just a zone. There are many lines going through that point. Now, we don't want to confuse you with everything else, all right? So the intersection between the horizontal key level, you see here, we have, again, hold on please, I don't want this video to be too long. So this is a hot spot trading zone because what? Intersection between horizontal key level and a hot spot trading zone. But anytime you see a hot spot trading zone, it's not just a point, it's not just this horizontal line. There are trend line, many trend line all over in every direction, and you can find them. But we don't want to talk about that today, okay? So currently, this is what's happening here. But I'm going to go now, because of where the price is, to find support key levels that are in that zone. So there's one here. See this one here. Follow my cursor. This one here. This is a key level. Will you agree? Okay. Let's highlight that a bit. Make it a bit thick. All right. See that? Okay. I'll change that color a bit. Let's choose just a crazy green. Green would be nice. Okay. Let's make it a dark green. Okay. That's it. You see that trend line? So we have again an intersection point here. But like I said to you before, you see the horizontal line going through that hot spot trading zone, that's where we are down. So that green trend line is going through that hot spot trading zone. There are other trend lines going through the same hot spot trading zone. And we can work with that right now. So, talking about day trading, all right? Today, that level of 14237, we'll say to traders, priority to bullish signal above that. Remember the black trend line there, which is a resistance. In fact, you will prefer to buy above the black trend line. That will be a better place, all right? But remember also 14237. All right. So that's the tick, you see. So now on the 50-minute time frame, we probably pull back a bit and retest that 14237. All right. If you start going below that, that will be a bit bearish because there was this high on a 15-minute time frame, analyzing each on a 15-minute time. This high, if it goes below it, then we start thinking, well, is it going to form a head and shoulder chart pattern or anything else? All right, and so on and so on. All right. So all in all, as I've been saying to traders before, because the mistake that traders are making all the time is that they go and they are looking for signal. Just give me a signal to buy, just give me a signal to sell. That's not what you are looking for first. You are looking for a trading setup. And then you want to work on your ability to use different time frame trading methods. Traders that have been following me for years may get upset a bit and say, Joe, you're saying that all the time. It's just too important. We can't record any trading video without talking about a top-down trading method. It's just too important. Whether one is fundamental trader, technical trader, okay, streetwise, okay, market participant, all right, one must learn, okay, to time the market. The market timing is so important. Whether you are using the economy news that are released, all right, or fundamental analysis or technical analysis, when you're going to get paid, all right, you will, all right, consider the market timing. And the top-down trading method is the key. Whether you are fundamental trader or position trader, whatever you are doing, okay, that's it. All right. So do this kind of so the blue and the red trend line, the blue and the black trend line. Okay, this is it. Few tips. So talking about the trend is your friend, isn't it? That's what I said to you before. The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend means that trade on the edge of trend lines. Trend lines are powerful. So anytime you change time frame like I did before, we go to the any time frame. Anytime you change time frame, you just automatically, all right? Before, I do not draw trend line. I've said this before, all right? But now, that's why I know that it was a mistake. I said to traders, anytime, even you go to 5 minutes, you go to 3 minutes, you will, anytime you switch time frame, you go to another time frame, analyze the chart there. There are trend line on every time frame. And those trend lines will will allow you to see what is happening. And you just do it automatically like a machine. All right. Though you are not a machine, feel free to draw trend line automatically. All right. So right now you see I'm on the daily chart now. Okay. All right. So you see, quickly I just spot it. You see, there is a line that is parallel to the black trend line on the daily chart. You see that? This one here. All right. I'm running out of color now. So, all right. Did you see that? That's the turquoise line. It's parallel to the black trend line. So we can work with that. This is it. Okay, draw a median line. You see now, between that black trend line and this turquoise line that is parallel to the black one. And also, here it is. Right now, today, we can pay attention to this trend line also. You see here, connecting this low and this low. That's why they say the trend is your friend. Use trend line on any time frame, but combine the trend line with the horizontal kilo to highlight the hot spot trading zone. Understand that through a hot spot trading zone, we can draw up to thousands of trend lines, and you don't want to miss them. All right. So you can, like you see this trend line here, you can just say, all right, what are the trend line that are going? So you keep drawing trend line on this chart now. You see that some of those trend lines will go through that hot spot trading zone. There's one here. You see that? Connecting this point and this one here. Look, almost to that point. So where we are now, you see, there is this trend line, which color it now into pink, that we can monitor. Is that too much trend line for you? No, it's not too much, all right? Because before you make a decision, something is happening that we call a trading setup. So this is what we call the invitation card. You receive you go to a party, or your friend will invite you, so they will call you, or somebody will tell you something. This is your invitation, all right? Now, are you interested to go? All right, this is it. So not all training setup that you should participate in. Some of them may say, I'm not interested, I'm busy. It's a useless training setup, it's not a high public training setup, I'm not going to be part of it. All right? So when you start being selective, and most importantly, defensive, you are maturing as a trader. So you are not just going around like you did before, buy here, sell here. You are more composed, and you are making decisions, you are making choices, not only choices, excellent choices. And you know how to handle those decisions. So you go into a party, you decide, what kind of clothes should I wear, and what should I bring there? Are you bringing a bottle of wine, and so on? So I'm talking to you, okay, so you may understand what's going on. So now you say, okay, I want to participate in this trade. Now, what are you going to use? Now, the market pattern will determine the appropriate strategy that you must use, the tools. So a surgeon use different tools, isn't it? All right? They use the different tools, isn't it? All right? So they don't just use any tool, just say, all right, you see? So the same thing we do before we make a decision, all right, we start looking at the market pattern. So right now, as I show you, you see the black trend line that I was telling you and the Chiqua trend line, the price was in that declining channel that is breaking above it. What is it telling us? It's telling me that the bullish momentum is increasing. Therefore, we must give priority to bullish signal. Generally speaking, we'll say at this point in time, the level, I say on the daily chart, the level we must watch is 14237. All right. For swing trader, position trader, we say above 13874 prior to bullish signal. All right. We went with the market. So it's breaking above that monthly candlestick, but it's not closed yet. It's the month of March. But it's breaking above, okay, that black trail line. It was going down in a declining channel. Now it's trying to go above it. So we can use now the measuring stick, which means the width of that channel, that declining channel, and you see the trend line. Those are the trend line that we use, all right? And then we can just project it now. Now we are combining trend line with market geometry, and then we project that channel there, drawing a line through the end of our measuring stick there that is parallel to the black line. Are you getting it now? And then we just draw it ready and leave it there. Am I talking too much today? Are you getting the message? Are you getting the message? And anytime we have a channel, we draw a median also, you see. Okay? Alright, you see now? This is how you're going to. So it's coming out of that decline channel, you're going to the projected channel now. Alright? And this is, okay, the trading tips. That's it. Alright? So if you have any question or suggestion, please put in the comment section, and in due course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. All right. So this will conclude our discussion today about the blue and black trend line technical trading tips and tricks for US dollar South Africa rand traders. All right. If this video has been truly useful to you, please give us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, mark it down. If you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. This video will be posted first on my Facebook page. My Facebook page is Stochastic-MACD. And then I will post it also at the 24 Forex Trader YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, 24 Forex Trader YouTube channel. Alright, and be sure to click on the notification bell, so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. If you want to learn more about forex trading or technical trading, go to www.stochastic-MACD. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the USDZAR traders talking about blue and black trend line technical trading tips for US dollar South Africa RAM traders. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon.